Asari Dokubo have started again calling Igbo people names on social media because of a post made by a name with Muslim name. Asari Dokubo also went ahead and accused the Igbos of being responsible of making that post. Asari Dokubo also said that the Igbos are looking for a means to eliminate him in the society, with no proof and with no evidence. Asari Dokubo also accused Igbos all over the world of being a criminal and fraudsters. This is coming out from Asari Dokubo. My people, I want you to share this video. This man, it has become too much to you. Enough is enough. The federal government of Nigeria is seeing the crime Asari Dokubo is committing against the Igbos, and they are not doing anything to stop him. If any day that the Igbos wake up to say they want to take the law into their hands, you will see people coming to social media to write nonsense. I want you to share this video. Asari Dokubo, enough is enough of this your hatred against the Igbos on social media. The Igbos are not calling you names in anywhere. A post made by somebody by name, by Islam name. How that name related to Igbos, and they have no evidence and proof to clarify what you are accusing them of. Enough is enough, Asari Dokubo. Please, I'm going to play this video, but before we jump inside, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here, we say the truth with no fear. I want you to share this video that I'm going to play you right now. And make sure say you follow this page for more updates as it is hot. Asari Dokubo have come outside to this viral video calling Igbo, accusing Igbos of making a post to cause a problem between him and the Islamic community. Anything, if cockroach pass Asari Dokubo front, you say yes, na Igbo man pass there. If fly pass, Asari Dokubo say na Igbo people, and they send the fly come meet her. Watch this video before we come back and continue.
I don't want to accuse people if I'm not sure of it. But I want to draw from the past. First, I want to state that I'm a Muslim. I took the Shahada. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I took the two parts of the Shahada. The Shahada to affirm that Allah alone is God and He alone ought to be worshipped, and that Muhammad is His prophet. For a long time, I saw the name of this guy. He said his name is Muhammad Onini Ibira. I know that this is a fake name. And he posted on Facebook, the new prophet of Islam, Prophet Dokubo, announced he built a new Kaaba in Africa, so the African Muslims do not need to go to Mecca. My live broadcasts and my utterances are in the public space. There is no time I have said this. This is a picture that this man put here. I know that so many people, like I don't want to accuse, but I know that the Igbos have fought everything to make sure that I am killed. I want to state very clearly that I am Ijo and I am Igbo. I can say that more than 50% of my DNA will be Igbo. More than 50%. And I've never hidden it. I don't need anybody's permission to be Igbo. But when I find out that the greatest people on the surface of this earth, the most wicked, the most vicious people everywhere in the world are Igbos and Jews. They are very wicked and vicious, and Igbos said they are Jews. So that's why they got their wickedness, their satanic, their devilish tendencies from. And sometimes I feel ashamed that I even have Igbo DNA in me. Yesterday, day before yesterday, my son was at the Chinese embassy. And what was it? Thousands of Igbos are there. And the Chinese were saying they don't want to give visa to the Igbos. Today, Saudi Arabia is opening up. They've gone to be changing their names. And they are running like this Muhammad Onini Ibira. I know that he's not an Ibira man. I know that every Ibira man that has seen this will know that he's not an Ibira man. They've tried. They say, oh, I said I'm going to kill all Igbo people. The federal government should arrest me. They gesticulated, they did everything, and they failed. And now, oh, he's a Muslim. If we say he committed blasphemy, Muslims are going to turn against him, and they are going to attack him, and they are going to kill him. So let us bring that out. And they brought this. And fools are commenting. They brought this. I'm a Muslim. I do not need anybody's permission to be a Muslim. I was not hungry when I became a Muslim on the 17th of September 1988, almost 36 years ago. I'm going to be 60 on the 1st of June. To proclaim myself, how does one become a prophet? To proclaim myself a prophet, to do what? What will I gain from being a prophet? I'm not a lazy man. I'm an hard-working man. I'm cerebral. I think and I work. I'm innovative. Ground that is dry, that there is no water. When I hit it, water comes out of it. Because I work, because I think. And that's why I've been able to overwhelm them. I took this good side of my Igbo DNA and I took the good side of my Ijaw DNA and I combined it to become a perfect person that I am. Not the wuru-wuru, wara-wara, tifu-tifu, lie-lie, 419 Igbo blood. You are looking for, you cannot tell yourself the truth. So when somebody tells you the truth, you are very destructive, you want to destroy him. But you cannot. You are not my creator. You are not my creator. I am a Muslim. I do not need the permission of anybody. I want to say it clearly. I do not need the permission of anybody to become a Muslim. I am not a Muslim to please anybody. If there is anybody who had not been pleasing Muslim, who had been critical against Muslim individual in Nigeria, I am number one. I am number one. Who criticize Muslim individuals when they do wrong. I am number one when it comes to defending Muslim individuals. When they're on the right of Islam, when they're on their right. And when all Muslims keep quiet when things are bad, whether it is Palestinian issue, whether it is destruction of our mosque in River State by Inyeso Wike, when everybody was keeping quiet, I stood up. Whether it is our sister who wore hijab and was not graduated at the law school, I stood up. When they said that, oh, Muslims are marrying minors, that people were ashamed to say, I stood up. My grandmother was married. She was a princess. She's from a rich family. She's an Amakri. She was married before she was 13 years old. And she was not a Muslim. And there are many instances like that. When people are ashamed, they don't want to talk. I don't want to be seen as being antisocial. I don't want to. Muslim marry people, and many tradition marry people who are 12, 13 days. If you don't like it, keep your own culture. You are Duke stood by me in my hours of crisis. They stood by me. I've not seen Donald Duke since. They helped my family. Why Tinubu own was more touching? He's not an Ijoma. He's not from the South. Donald Duke was married to a Kalawari woman, Onari. Goodluck was governor of Bayelsa State. He was an Ijoma. So maybe just sentiment. Maybe because he was married to my sister, and my sister spoke to him, and he came to my head, Donald Duke. But there was no such thing with Ahmed Bola Tinubu. He came to my head. I have no choice. If when Goodluck came out to contest the election, I stood with him to the end, against all odds. I stood with him to the end. My children are training to become Hafiz. My children are training to become Hafiz. About 9 of them are in Kano, training to become Hafiz, stopping their normal Western education that will give them all the benefits according to people they need from parents to come and study Quran. I brought my children, my 2 kids from Paris. They left their school. They came here. They left their education that people would say will bring them money. Because I know that when you leave this world, you have to meet God. You will plot and you plot and you continue to fail because there is nothing you can do about it. These lies you have told will not benefit you. It will not change anything. Because I am a Muslim, I will continue to be a Muslim, and I will stand by Islam. So please, stop these lies. It won't help you. Stop these lies. You want to turn the people, want to turn Muslims against me? Muslims should have turned against me long time ago, because whether it is Sheikh Gumi or whether it is anybody, when they say the wrong thing, I hold them accountable. I just want you to know that you cannot harm me. I am a Muslim. The party of Allah will always defeat the party of Shaitan. The earlier you stop.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, I want you to drop your own opinion in a comment section, and make sure say you share this video so that you get to the 50 million Igbos all over the world. Let them hear what this man jargon has been saying against Ndi Igbo. Asari Dokubo once said that he's going to buy all Igbos. Asari Dokubo on it again. We're not going to warn you for the last one. This one, the last one, we are going to send you this message to stay away from the Igbos. Since you are Igbos, you choose to be whoever you want to be. Do not start castigating Igbos in social media. Share this video for more updates.